Hey guys, welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can use prompt weights and parameters to uh, really make your images stand out, to really make them look great. And we're also going to experiment a little bit with image prompts as well. So I'm here in our comic program server, and we've got these landscape images. Let's upscale a couple of them. And let's see what that looks like. All right, so let's say you want to have kind of a desert landscape, and you want to have a Western style image. Let's see. I'm gonna click on this vary region, and I'm gonna see if I can get rid of this text at the bottom. So that's how you use vary region. You can do that. But let's get this image here. We're going to open this. We're going to use this as an image prompt. And let's say you want an image of a town, and you want a black cat in the image. So we are going to use Imagine. We're going to copy the image that we just had. We're going to get rid of everything after the question mark here, so that it's just an image, and you're going to say, let's see, town on the edge of the desert in the style of mid-century adventure comics. And then we want Niji, because we've been using Niji, so it's --Niji. And let's have the same aspect ratio as before, aspect ratio 4:3. And let's say we also want a black cat. What we can do is we'll do --, not --, and we'll say black cat wandering through, black cat perched on a roof. How about that? So let's hit Command A to select all of this, Command C to copy it. And it's going to think about it. And I have turbo enabled because I'm doing this this course, and I want you to see it, how it works as ASAP. But I'm going to pause it until this is done. All right, so here we go. We've got our results. And we've got some pictures. This one looks like it has the cat. I think the others do not, but we'll upscale them and see. Yes, this one has the cat, and these ones do not. They also look a bit too modern to me. I could be wrong. But let's try it again, and we'll say Western town on the edge of the desert in the style of mid-century Western comics. So we'll just get rid of that. We'll say town on the edge of the desert in the style of mid-century Western comics, and then black cat perched on a roof. We'll select all of it and copy it again so we can edit it some more. And then let's try it again with, we'll say, a 19th century frontier town on the edge of the desert. And so here we go. We've got some more. And we can add some more detail. We can say, let's see, long shot of 19th century frontier town on the edge of the desert, cat perched on a roof. And then let's see what this comes up with. And we can also experiment with taking out this image and doing it without the image at all. And And we can also make it a lot simpler. We could say Century American Desert Frontier Town, black cat perched on a roof. And we'll do AR43. And you can see some of these are looking very different. In this one, the cat looks absolutely enormous. In this one, the cat is kind of there. A lot of them have this image kind of to the side. The house is kind of off to the side. But this one has a lot of black cats. But let's see. I'm going to say Western Town, black cat on a roof. And we can also try it without that double colon. We can say black cat on a roof in a western frontier town. So hopefully this gives you some ideas for how you can use prompt weights as well as parameters. Let's try one where we actually use a weight after the double colon. Since I did say that was what this was about, we're going to say Western Town has a weight of 2, black cat on a roof has default weight of 1. Now, one thing to know is that if you don't have a space here, it's going to probably going to put a picture of 2 black cats on the roof. So you always want a space after the number. But if you have a space between Western Town and the double colon, a space before the double colon, that doesn't seem to make any difference at all. And not that I've ever been able to see. But here we go. We've got let's see, can we see any black cats in this image? It's an interesting question. No, but we could use vary region and put them there. It's not that difficult to do. And then this one, I think there's a black cat right there, but it's not on a roof. And if you do the prompt the other way with the weight, the other way where you've got Western Town and then black cat on a roof is 2. It's going to put more prominence on the black cat. So let's see what it does with this. All right, and here you go. You can see these are some images of a black cat on a roof. In Western Town, it does not have the same weight, so the cat is more foregrounded. And these are the results. This is probably closest to what I was kind of looking for. And you can, of course, have more than 2. We could add another one which says high noon. And then that will add that to the prompt. Sometimes this happens. Let's see if we can get it to work. Yeah, this is the other thing about Midjourney is sometimes it has these problems. But and sometimes you see when I it just took a minute to come back online, I think. And it's not working. Okay. Well, that is that also shows you some of the issues you can run into, but hopefully this is a good starting guide to show you how you can use prompt weights and parameters to change the look and feel of your image. All right. I'll see you in the next one.